Today, we're looking at how to use collaborations to drive engagement on social media. This is Barry M Cosmetics. They're a world-renowned cosmetic brand, and they're really well known for their bright colours, as well as lots of pastels, in particular their nails and their eye makeup. Now, one of the things they use Instagram for is obviously to get people to shop with them, to get people buy directly or indeed through any of their partner stores. And what they've done here is they've done a collaboration. So obviously we're going into festival season, so people are starting to get into that festival vibe, thinking about all the big festivals coming up. And a lot of people like to get very colourful during festival season, and Barry M is a great brand for colour. So what they've done here is they've done last minute festival nails, and then they've tagged in the brand is the go-to, so blacklisted. And here they've got the lady who's wearing so wears style moving mad, 9.99, available at barrym.com and online, and they've tagged in Superdrug and Sephora. So basically what this is the person who represents at Blacklisted, and she has got the incredible nails on. I mean, she looks absolutely incredible. She's got the nails on, and I think what they are is they're the instant nails. She's got them on. She's saying that, and then they've been updated with the color, which is this one, which is the Barry M one, and then they've tagged in Superdrug and they've tagged in Sephora, which are the two brands where you can actually get them. So the idea is that it's festival nails, which links directly back with the brand. Then you've got them obviously collaborating with these two brands here, if you like. And then you've got where you can actually buy everything. So it's almost like a call to action. So that's these two. So literally it's all about tagging. And then you've got the hashtags as well. So you've got the main hashtag, which is obviously the brand here. Then you've got instant nails, you've got cruelty-free, and then vegan. So anybody who is looking for cruelty-free vegan products is going to find them using these hashtags, and that's going to attract brand new people to Barry M and equally to all of these. So it's all about collaboration to boost engagement and traffic for all parties.